Hi, happy Monday to all. No schedule for HD or hemodialysis today since tomorrow pa ang schedule. However, meron kaming orientation with my sister sa hospital at 1 p.m. for kidney transplant orientation. So, hopefully maging smooth lang ang orientation at marami kang malaman anong gagawin. I guess this is the second step, no? Because the first step is to have laboratories for my sister as the kidney donor para at least ma-match ang kidneys namin, no? If possible, no? Maging compatible, no, sa aking katawan ang kidneys ng kapatid ko. So, again, salamat sa kapatid ko na willing mag-donate ang kanyang kidneys. However, this will take very long process, no? It probably 3 to 6 months ang pag-check ng cross-matching ng ng aming kidneys. So, this is the second step, no? Orientation sa hospital. Probably they will give us ideas what to do, how to take care of my sister's health, no? Because isasalang kami sa operation, mga ganun. And then what are or what is the possible cost, no, or ang babayaran namin sa whole operation. So probably doon din i-discuss. And right now, kakatapos ko lang maglinis ng aking catheter area kasi marami ng mga naiwang sticker dito, no, sa paglagay nila ng bandage, no, and gauze. And then I also clean my fistula arm or nag dressing ako. Thankfully parang okay naman ang fistula arm ko. It's healing, and according to the nurses, probably mga end of October or first week of November, maaari nang magamit ang aking arm if walang complications. So from here to here na ang pag-transfer ng or pag-cycle ng aking blood, no, para malinisan sa HD or hemodialysis. Alright, so God bless everyone. Again, take care of yourselves. Happy Monday. This will be a very quick update lang. And see you tomorrow. I'll update you what happened, no, sa orientation. And tomorrow is my dialysis session as well, 5 a.m. So please continue to pray with me, and salamat sa support, everyone. Thank you very much.